Hi, I'm Corby Sue. I'm the culinary director at HelloFresh. I'm really excited to take you through the journey of how do we come up with these easy, tasty recipes? How do we find ingredients? Who are the people we work with? Who are the incredible recipe developers, cooks, and chefs behind the scenes? And what work do we actually do in our HelloFresh test kitchen to make sure that you have success in your kitchen? So let's get into how we actually create a recipe. So first things first, who's the star of the show? It's the protein. And we offer 40 incredible different protein ingredients for you in a selection of really interesting, diverse recipes. The next thing we want to do is we focus on seasonality. We really care about sourcing local whenever possible. We lean into local growers and producers, whether it's asparagus in spring or incredible Ontario corn in late summer or fresh stone fruit from the Okanagan Valley. We really want to lean into seasonality. So we work side by side with our incredible buying team to make sure that we're getting the best and the freshest for you. So today we're going to feature a really popular seasonal recipe. It's bacon wrapped asparagus with salad and avocado. This is a great story of how we genuinely care about local businesses. So years ago, Mark Wall from Sandy Shore actually reached out to me initially to say, we've got great produce, incredible asparagus. So I made sure I put him in touch with our incredible ingredient team. And to this day, we've really nurtured a special relationship so that we make sure that the asparagus we use is locally produced and we only offer it when it is locally available. That's our commitment to seasonality. So we've got our ingredients, we've got our cuisines, we've got our inspiration. Recipe developers have put together an idea. What's next? Testing, testing, testing. I cannot stress that enough. So it's not enough that a developer is confident that the way they've written it and the ingredients they've used is going to work. We then have a panel of external testers who are food professionals, and they work in the industry, whether it's making products, whether it's writing recipes for other organizations, whether it's they're amazing chefs. They come in and they bring a different perspective. And again, we listen to your feedback. We know when you have trouble with a certain technique. So we test, test, test. And our panel of tasters, I'm one of them, we taste and we think about what you've told us you like. So we don't bring our own bias. We're really doing as best we can to think about you, the customer, and the flavors that you and your loved ones have told us time and time again you like. So testing is very much what needs to happen in order for a recipe to even make it into our meal kit. So trust us, we have put the recipe through the test. Now sometimes there are some recipes that may not hit when we send it out to you. We listen to your feedback, we make adjustments where needed, and we send it to you again, and we've usually got it right. I think the most important thing I want to get across is that you as the customer and us as the food professionals, we're actually building this food product, this recipe experience together. Thank you for choosing HelloFresh in your home. Don't forget to head to our app or website to make your summer meal selections, and keep the feedback coming.